So software platforms are embedding payments for a variety of reasons. Firstly, users expect a seamless all-in-one platform, and we're used to this from the B2C world. Secondly, this opens the door for new revenue streams for platforms. Platforms can earn interchange fees, FX spreads, or transaction fees. Embedding payments turns platforms into fintech as a service. Thirdly, customer retention is increased if you're managing payments, invoices, and procurement all in one place. You have a complete solution. TransferMate makes this possible with developer-friendly APIs to embed payments directly into software platforms. Embedding TransferMate offers software platforms a compliant, global, developer-friendly infrastructure that removes the traditional barriers to embedding cross-border B2B payments without the need to become a licensed financial institution. So amongst the top improvements users see when payments are embedded are things like an all-in-one workflow, no more tool switching. Before, users had to approve an invoice in one system, log into a bank portal, manually enter vendor details, and track payments through email or Excel. Now they approve and pay in the same platform. A single click completes the transaction. Other improvements include faster payments execution. Transactions can settle same or next day, even cross-border. Suppliers get paid faster, improving relations. On top of this, users will see real-time payment status, automate reconciliation, lower errors, and tighter financial control and auditability. So adding payments to a platform does create complexity and risk, but that is exactly what TransferMate exists to solve. Let's look at what many of those complex challenges are and how TransferMate solves them. Firstly, compliance burden. Your platform doesn't need to become a payments company. TransferMate assumes the compliance burden such as AML, KYC, data protection, local regulation, and more. Secondly, cross-border infrastructure. TransferMate operates its own global payment network. No reliance on traditional correspondent banks. The result is you offer global payments as if they were local. Thirdly, embedded APIs. No-code and low-code options. APIs for deep embedding or white label solutions for co-branded UIs. Fourthly, partner support. TransferMate proudly works closely with our partners to build go-to-market monetization solutions. We provide shared compliance and onboarding solutions for our partners. So in summary, embedding payments can be risky, but not when you choose the right partner. TransferMate removes most of the complexity, allowing platforms to go global, stay compliant, add new revenue streams, and deliver best-in-class user experience.